Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well. It's Thursday, so that means Callum and Linnea are home, and I thought that today we would go over to Canary Wharf and walk around Canary Wharf and take them over to the Docklands Museum. And part of the big reason why I want to do that today is Callum, in his nursery, apparently they've been talking about pirates, or he's at least been playing pirates, and he's been quite fascinated by the whole concept of pirates and pirate ships and finding treasure and all that kind of stuff. And I thought that I could kind of encourage that, or just kind of expand on his imagination a little bit. I thought he would really love that, you know, just the whole concept of finding treasure in Canary Wharf, and get Linnea involved in it too, so that they're kind of on a hunt for something. Whenever I go to Canary Wharf, I try to put on some makeup. I try to look a little more presentable than perhaps I do when I'm just walking over to the shops or bringing Callum to school. And oh, there are a lot of kids walking to school right now. Whenever I go into Canary Wharf, I always have a bit of like a personal anxiety attack, because there's so many people and everybody there looks so professional. You're just kind of overwhelmed by all of the suits and the ties and the dresses and the high heels, and there's little old me in my, you know, my little mom outfit. So I at least try to put some makeup on and look somewhat presentable, so that I can kind of walk around and feel like I'm kind of proud of myself too. I talked last night about how my confidence has really taken a beating. Regardless, we're going to have a really nice day in Canary Wharf. It's not supposed to rain. It's supposed to be really nice weather. And I'm just excited to go and be with my baby bears. Wow.
You see, this is a train. It's a bounty train.
What's the name of that train?
A taxi train. The DLR.
The DLR? Yeah.
It goes and then it turns, then it can here.
Hello! Hello, hello! You ready to go on the lift? I think somebody has low blood sugar. Just a little bit. So we're gonna go get them a little something to eat. Linnea! You got a free gingerbread man. Yeah, that's the nice thing about coming. Oh! Oh my goodness. That's the good thing about coming to this Pret. Yeah? Oh, she's telling her brother off right now. Oh. They irritate each other sometimes. Oh, Callum. No, no, no. Oh, no. Yeah, they don't have many kids coming in here, so these two tend to get freebies when they come in here. A pirate ship? Oh, it looks like a pirate ship. Oh my gosh. She's all excited. Arr, Captain. Yeah, there are a couple of pirate ships down there. Maybe we'll see some pirates, huh? Maybe. Yeah, there's the pirate ship. Oh, wow. Yeah, wow. Are there pirates in there? There might be. Pirates in Canary Wharf, guys. Huh? So if you see a pirate, what are you supposed to say?
Arr, Captain.
Ooh, I like that.
Look, you can see up there.
I know. Yes. And now we've got the bridge. We're gonna go on the bridge. Here we go. Oh, what a lovely day, truly. Over there's North Greenwich. Hi, O2. Hi, North Greenwich. Hi, pirate ship. Are you saying hi? Yeah. Kids are having fun. What a beautiful day in Canary Wharf. Oh my goodness, it's perfect. And hello, One Canada Square. It's treasure!
Treasure.
You found some treasure! Oh my gosh! That's amazing!
Can we eat them?
Do you want one?
Yay!
You want one? Okay, hold on.
Yay! We got some treasure.
pirates left you some treasure? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The pirates. Callum, it must have been the pirates. What do you think? I wonder if there are any more. We'll have to be on the lookout, huh? Well, that was a shock. Pirates. Must have been the pirates. We were shocked. That was cool, huh? They put treasure there? Wow. Chocolate eggs. Amazing treasure, huh? Oh yeah.
Chocolate eggs!
Was that a surprise?
Yeah, I got to see them.
Were you shocked?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay!
Thanks, Cal. So here's a little bit of the view. People are walking, getting their lunches. This is nice. So pretty. Ice cream. This is so nice. See what I mean? All the suits. You want me to hold you?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. I'm just a mom. Just hanging out. Linnea! Hi! Are you playing?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Look, it's a cutting ship. Mommy, you remember what that is?
What?
A cutting strip.
Oh!
Mommy, look. Look.
And then, oh! And now look, it's going right into the key.
Look, it's going up to IKEA.
Uh-huh.
It's going to go past IKEA.
Not IKEA. It's not going to IKEA. This is the West India Key, where these docks are that we're currently standing in, huh?
Mommy, look. There's a tiny boats. They're tiny boats.
Tiny boats?
Yeah, they are. They're tiny.
They're tiny? Tiny, tiny.
Look, look, it's coming up. They're coming. And look, he's going to take one too, like the other ones.
Okay.
Let's go down and walk on. That's the brother, I think.
Yeah, bum. Okay, going up. Okay, Juicy. Yay! You're officially a big kid now. You can climb all the way to the top by yourself. You couldn't do that the last time. There's Big Brother. Whoa. Whoa, that was fast. Did you leave Linnea up there? Linnea? Where'd she go? Are you going together? Ooh, that was fun. And there she goes. That's the most Callum thing ever. What did you find?
Treasure.
You found treasure? It's one for Linnea? Pirate must have hid it for you. Here, you can open it yourself.
Look, I can do it.
What do you think? That's amazing, huh?
Look here.
Okay, I'll keep your trash.
Chocolate egg.
Big bunch of containers, and see, you can see those cranes. They look like cranes, but that's what lifts the big containers because they're so heavy. You can't lift them with your hands. They need big machines to lift them. Oh, do you see the windmill?
And maybe cranes can lift them.
Yeah, that's why they're there. Those big cranes, they look like cranes. They can lift them onto the ship. See over there? See all the containers on the ship? Look at the birds sitting on the line. Callum, do you know what this is? Right here. Look, do you know what this is? Look, you can look out and see. This is exactly where they would bring the goods in. They would ship them up here. They'd unload them, bring them up here, and this is where they'd be weighed. It's amazing, isn't it?
Mommy, look.
Yeah.
We got Doctor's Museum.
Yeah, that's exactly, Callum, that's exactly right. That's where we are right now. Before this was the museum, Callum, this was the West India Dock Warehouse.
And look, there's a cleaning.
That's exactly right. Look, that window right there, Callum, is right there. That's the same window. Did you know that?
Yeah, and that up there?
Uh-huh.
No. The same one like there. That we were playing.
That's where you were playing?
Yeah, and there's the Henny. That way I was playing on. And look. You see
Oh, yeah, because, yeah, they had one of, that's, they had a scale. You can kind of see that little black scale right there. They had a scale in the little children's area, and Callum thinks that's where he was playing.
Wow. Some more?
Oh my gosh, you guys. You got more treasure.
Can I eat them?
Yeah?
It's not a good keeper. So mad. So mad.
You're so mad.
Brakes are for trains.
Bricks are for trains.
Linnea.
Uh-oh.
Linnea, stop.
Linnea.
But Linnea, it's so fun to build.
It is fun to build, huh?
Remember we just have to say, Linnea.
Oh my goodness. You look angry. Very nice job building the tunnel. That was really nice. He did this by himself.
No.
He did that by himself.
No, it's not a boat trip. Let's go. More treasure.
More treasure. Oh, it's gonna be dark. Let's go into Sailor Town. Here we go. Oh, this is like where the pirates used to hang out, Callum. Oh, it's so dark in this little town.
Let's turn around. I come.
Oh, look, there's a pub. Let's go in the pub.
Oh yeah, let's go in the pub.
Linnea, what did you find?
Treasure.
You found treasure.
This Linnea.
Hold on, don't bite it. Here, you have to twist it. Twisty, twisty.
Oh my God! I found it in the pub.
Yeah, you're having your treasure in the pub, huh? Just like a good old pirate. Wow, this is where the pirates used to hang out, Callum. Maybe they're back there. Hello? Can we get a pint? Hello? I guess they're sleeping.
Hello.
Yeah, it is dark. Maybe they're sleeping. It's cool.
Coming from. Oh, Maddie, I found the little treasure.
Oh my gosh! That must be from the pirates, huh?
That must be.
They must have brought him from the pub. And from the pub, they left him here. Right here. By the station and print cellar.
Right here.
There's a ghost right here. Oh my gosh, this just took a turn. Ghosts and pirates here in Canary Wharf, huh?
Yeah. No, son.
Oh my gosh, you got more treasure. Golly, the pirates are going crazy in here, huh?
Don't. I found it in. Let's eat some.
Okay. Wow, you're finding all this treasure like a real pirate. The kids are playing with the train, so I can just come and look at this really quick, but I wanted to show you guys. This was the construction of One Canada Square. Can you imagine? That's the top of One Canada Square. Putting in the top of the building. That's amazing. Look how high they are. And then that was the final product right there. That's a model of One Canada Square. So cool. 3? Wow, so there's one for Mommy.
Yeah.
It must mean it's time to go home.
There's
Thank
one.
you.
You can eat one.
Okay. All right.
There's chocolate when I some more, but I want to buy some more.
Well, those pirates are just so clever.
More?
You know?
This one?
I don't think there's more because I think the pirate knows that you're going to have dinner soon.
Okay.